St. Petersburg, FLA. Tropical storm Emily churned ashore near Tampa Bay on Monday, starting a trek across the peninsula amid drenching rains and fears of scattered street flooding that prompted the governor to declare nearly half of Florida's counties in a state of emergency. The National Hurricane Center said the ill-defined storm that sprang suddenly out of the Gulf of Mexico reached Florida's central Gulf Coast late Monday morning and was moving eastward at 9 miles per hour. The Miami-based center said Emily was expected to weaken to a tropical depression while crossing Florida in the coming hours and then heading out into the Atlantic. The Florida Highway Patrol closed the towering Sunshine Skyway Bridge over Tampa Bay on Monday morning because of high winds from Emily, which had maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour as it crawled ashore. SGT Steve Gaskins urged motorists in an email to seek other routes after gusts at the bridge were clocked at more than 60 miles per hour. The forecast track of Tropical Storm Emily. MyFox Hurricane. Track the storm at MYFOXHURRICANE. At 11 a.m. EDT, Monday, Emily was centered about 35 miles southwest of Tampa and moving east at 9 miles per hour. Forecasters say Emily was expected to dump between 2 to 4 inches of rain through Monday night between the Tampa Bay Area and Naples, with isolated amounts up to 8 inches in spots. Lesser amounts were predicted elsewhere.